Here I have HUAWEI Honor 7A, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar. Here you have to click on the edit button, and here you have screen recorder. So next what you have to do is to choose sound source. Let's suppose that you want to choose system. OK, and in a 3 seconds the recording starts. Let's record something from this phone, maybe some settings. So to stop this recording, you just click stop here, and that's it. So if you want to share, edit or delete your recordings, you just go to the gallery, and here you have your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.